everybody, it's Neil and we are the TOPDON. It's the BT20 and I'm gonna check this thing out. It's a battery tester. My kid's car here is having some battery issues, I think. I don't know, but let's test it and see what happens. Sorry, I'm wearing sunglasses. I had some eye surgery and I cannot get UV rays in my eyes. So let's open this box up. There's Alec back there.
Hello! Really excited to review this item.
I'm sure he is. Okay, so here's the instructions. You're gonna have to read that. I cannot see if we even need it, but let's connect it up and see what happens. You guys see it first with me. There's one side.
I got the Bluetooth app.
Shoot, you have to have a Bluetooth app for it?
Please allow the app to access your network and Bluetooth.
Really?
Cut.
I can't just plug it in and go?
As crap.
Is it lit up or anything?
Yeah. No,
Oh, okay. Well, oh, here we go. It's 10.6 volts. So it does work. So it's, oh, and it even has a light on it. So we don't even need the Bluetooth app. I haven't even connected up yet, but if you look at it right now, you'll see it says low. So the battery is low. It needs a new battery.
But what about the health?
Well, the health doesn't really matter as much when the battery is low because it's not good. I knew the battery was low. That's why it chugs when it starts. Okay, so there we go. This is the
sweet.
That was pretty easy to do. Super easy. All you have to do is connect it up and there you go. You test your battery. So it's the TOPDON BT20.
10 out of 10.
Hey, is that the TOPDON BT20?
Oh, sir. Oh, thank you for stopping by, sir.
Oh, I'm a random bystander.
He's a random bystander.
TOPDON BT20. I've been hearing about
He's heard
this.
of it. It's really cool.
Oh my gosh, there's one in person?
Yeah.
And how much was it?
I don't even know. It was super inexpensive. You can get them at Amazon. But
What?
okay, so there, we've done that. And I'm Neil. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. And the link for this one is in the description, so you guys can pick one up for yourselves.